Welcome to St. Paul's School in Covington, Louisiana. Like our founding brothers 100 years ago, generations of St. Paul's alumni have marched through this arch into our campus. After 100 years of the Lasallian mission and the 5 core principles, St. Paul's is not merely surviving, but indeed thriving. As we are reminded by Brother Ray, we are living stones, building the edifice of the mystical body of Christ, here in Covington and in the world.
St. John Baptist de La Salle knew the importance of God's providence in his life. We recognize our primary obligation to God in many ways. We go to Mass every month as a whole school community. We have Mass every Wednesday. We have an adoration every first Friday of the month. We do the decade of the Rosary before school in the morning. And most importantly, we start and end school and class with prayer.
LaSalle welcomes all in its schools. At St. Paul's, we offer various community building activities, including district and state champion sports teams, STEM clubs like Robo-Wolves and Wolves on Wheels, our marching band known and loved by the entirety of Southeast Louisiana, and school-wide fun days like Field Day. We extend our community to our sister school, St. Scholastica Academy, when we host a challenge night where both schools compete in games and challenges to take home the coveted Challenge Night Cup. We have other student-connecting activities like Luminarias, where we place candlelit bags around our campus and in our football stadium to create a meaningful Latin word and a beautiful illuminated pathway open to everyone in the Covington area.
As all are welcome, all are to be respected. The brotherhood we have for one another here at St. Paul's is a great example of this. An even better example of this is our Core Pack program. Our Core Pack program serves students who have varying degrees of social, emotional, or academic disabilities, manifesting De La Salle's mantra to include and respect all persons. At St. Paul's, you'll see our Core Pack students interacting and participating in everything St. Paul's has to offer in a Lasallian Catholic education. From our all-school masses and prayer experiences to riveting games, bump basketball, and PE to Brother Ray's President's Assembly.
The founder knew that each of his students and the brothers were in need of salvation through a holistic education. Here at St. Paul's, we have been named the Blue Ribbon School for our exemplary education. This year, we had over 90 students attend our annual pizza party for those who scored a 30 or higher on the ACT. Multiple PLTW courses are offered which cover different STEM fields such as biomedical science, engineering, computer science, and business. Our National Honor Society offers tailored tutoring for any students in need of help. Students taking honors science classes are required to do a science project. Many receive awards at the state level.
Behind me you see our community garden, where we grow produce and donate it to our local food bank. St. John Baptist de La Salle saw the poor in Reims and responded to their needs with an ardent zeal. Here at St. Paul's, we follow in his footsteps, with a club such as a Key Club and a Habitat for Humanity Club, both of which help the community almost every Saturday year-round. We also hold multiple food drives, clothes drives, and blood drives throughout the year. With our food drives, we donate food not only during the fall for holidays, but also during the nearly forgotten summer with our Stuff the Bus program. Finally, our sophomore class donates an entire day to service projects throughout the greater New Orleans area in what we call our Sophomore Service Day.